Good morning, students. My today's topic is formal charge. Students, as you know, there are the different types of molecules or ions, which may be diatomic or you can say polyatomic ions or molecules. Students, in case of polyatomic ions, there are the three or more than three atoms are there, and each polyatomic ion have some definite charge. Beta, there is some net charge rather, और वो जो net charge है that is possessed by the ion as a whole, but that is not possessed by a particular atom. वो किसी particular atom के ऊपर नहीं है वो charge, but that belongs to the whole ion. But since हम हर एक atom को एक charge जो है assign कर सकते हैं in that particular molecule or ion, and that charge is called formal charge. Since कोई भी polyatomic ion है या molecule है, हर एक एटम के बैलेंस शेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. सो बेटा जो आपका फॉर्मल चार्ज है दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द नंबर ऑफ बैलेंस शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन एन आइसोलेटेड एटम और इन केस ऑफ फ्री एटम एंड द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असाइन टू दैट एटम इन अ लुईस स्ट्रक्चर. बेटा सो वी कैन से द फॉर्मल चार्ज ऑफ एन एटम in a polyatomic molecule or ion may be defined as the difference between the number of valence shell electrons when it is isolated or in the free state and the number of electrons assigned to that atom in the Lewis structure. beta, so mathematically we can write जो आपका formal charge है बेटा of an atom in a Lewis structure that is equal to the total number of valence shell electrons in the free atom. बेटा जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं बैलेंस शेल में उस फ्री एटम के या फिर आइसोलेटेड एटम के बेटा माइनस टोटल नंबर ऑफ नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मींस विच आर योर लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विच आर नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन. बेटा माइनस हाफ ऑफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. बेटा या यू कैन से शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड आउट द फॉर्मल चार्ज. क्या कहा, मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूं बेटा कि फॉर्मल चार्ज जो है किसी भी एटम का इन अ लुईस स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज नथिंग बट दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द नंबर ऑफ बैलेंस शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑफ अ पार्टिकुलर एटम इन एन आइसोलेटेड और फ्री स्टेट बेटा एंड द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स असाइंड टू दैट एटम इन द लुईस स्ट्रक्चर. लुईस स्ट्रक्चर में मींस जो भी लुईस स्ट्रक्चर में मान लिया उस एक पार्टिकुलर एटम के जो भी आपके लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है माइनस हाफ ऑफ द शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बेटा from the total number of balanced electrons in the free atom. So we can understand this more clearly. इसको हम और ज्यादा अच्छी तरह से अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं with the help of an example. So since let's take an example of ozone molecule. Ozone that is a O3 beta. Let's say this was central atom of ozone that is oxygen here having 6 electrons in its valence shell beta. So this is one lone pair and these two electrons that is shared by the other oxygen atom. So and they are the two lone pairs on this oxygen beta and one pair of this electron one pair of the electron of this oxygen is shared by the other oxygen which is having a 6 electrons in its valence shell beta. So now here three lone pairs are there on this oxygen. Here we have two lone pairs on this oxygen and here we have only one lone pair on this. So since let's assign the number to these oxygen atom जिसका हमने formal charge निकालना है. So let's say this is first oxygen, second and third oxygen. Formal charge of first oxygen, let's say beta, that is number of electrons in the its valence shell beta in the free state. Is that clear? That is having your 6 electrons in its valence shell beta. Now minus total number of non-bonding electrons beta, that is a lone pair of the electrons. So यहाँ lone pair of the electrons कितने हैं बेटा? One is your this one is your this one and one is your this one. So there are the two lone pair of the electrons. Is that clear? So total number of non-bonding electrons beta and that is of 4 over here. Is that clear? So minus half of the shared pair of the electrons beta. So half shared pair कितने हो गए बेटा? 2 2 4. तो 2 bonds हैं यहाँ तो shared pair of the electrons कितने हो गए? 4. So beta this is there, it's a 2. So here the formal charge on this first oxygen is 6 minus 4 minus 2 and that is your 0. So beta, we can say the formal charge of this first oxygen atom here in this molecule, that is 0. Let's find out the formal charge of this second oxygen beta. So formal charge of oxygen second beta, that is, we know there are the 6 electrons in its valence shell beta when it is in free state or isolated state beta. So 6 minus. So beta, next we have to see the total number of non-bonding electrons, means lone pair kitne hain. How many lone pair of the electrons are there? Only one lone pair of the electron is there. So means that is having your 2 electrons over here. So non-bonding electrons kitne ho gaye yahan? 2 ho gaye beta, minus half of the shared pair of the electrons. So shared pair of the electrons yahan kitne ho gaye? Iske साथ 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. इस ऑक्सीजन के साथ बेटा 3 bond pair of the electrons are there. So there are your 6 electrons here. So beta, we are now left with the 6 minus 2 minus 3 beta yahan. 2, 3 is a 6. So it's your 6 minus 5. So here the formal charge is your 1. So students, in this case formal charge is your 1, or in this case formal charge was your 0. So let's find the formal charge on this third oxygen atom beta. So formal charge of oxygen beta, that is your third one, and that is equal to, again 6 electrons are there in this valence shell beta. So minus total number of lone pair of the electrons beta. So they are 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. These are your 6 beta. And here 1 is a shared pair of the electrons, minus half of this shared pair of the electron into 2 beta. So 2 electrons are there. So it's so 6 minus 6 minus 1 beta. So that is equal to minus 1. So its formal charge is minus 1 beta. So this way we can find out the formal charge on each atom in the molecule beta. So as we have calculated the formal charge of this first oxygen beta, that is 0, and this second oxygen beta, that is your +1, or you can say 1, and then third oxygen का जो आपका formal charge है बेटा, that is your -1. Hope students this was clear. So beta, this topic I have discussed as per the demand of a student. So hope this is clear. So thank you. Have a nice day.